All right, so now we are going to use the knowns that we just learned about. So basically what we've done is we've done 4 tests on 4 different ions to learn what a positive result looks like for each of our 4 ions. So right now you know what a positive chloride ion test looks like: sulfate, bicarbonate, and iron. Now we're going to take 2 unknown solutions that we don't know which of these ions are in those solutions, if any of the ions are in those solutions. So we're going to run each of these 4 tests that we just did on the 2 unknown solutions, and your job is going to be to identify unknown number 1 and unknown number 2 based on the results that you see of these tests. So we're going to run these tests in the spot plate. So what I'm going to start out by doing is I'm going to start out by putting 5 drops of unknown 1 into 4 different wells. And I'm going to start by putting 5 drops of unknown 2 into different wells. All right, so the first test we're going to do is the chloride test. So we are going to do the chloride test on both of these unknowns. So just make your observations. We're going to start with 5 drops of nitric acid. And then a few drops of silver nitrate. Again, we're checking to see if the chloride ion is present. Okay. The second test we're going to do is the sulfate ion test. So we're going to put 5 drops of hydrochloric acid and 2 drops of barium chloride. That was the test for the sulfate ion. Now we're going to check for the bicarbonate ion. And we're going to use our hydrochloric acid again. And then lastly, we are going to test for the iron ion. So we're going to put a few drops of the acid in. Then we're going to put our potassium thiocyanate in. So what you're going to do to identify your unknown is compare these tests to the tests that we've already done and try to determine which ion is present in each of the unknowns.